let's discuss the next question, and this question is from Levenspiel, and the question number is 2.8. So the question is, the decomposition of nitrous oxide is found to be proceed as follows: N2O gives N2 plus half O2, and rate is given minus R N2O is equals to K1 N2O square upon 1 plus K2 N2O. For very high concentration of N2O, what is the overall order of reaction? So we need to find out the overall reaction and order of reaction, and before that we need to find out uh, the mechanism to explain this observed rate, what the rate is which is given to us, right? So rate is, what is the rate? Minus R N2O is equals to K1 N2O square upon 1 plus K2 N2O. Okay, so this rate is given to us. Fine. So first what we do, we just explain the mechanism, how ये कैसे आया, ठीक है? Fine. So the gas phase decomposition of N2O, so it is given to us N2O gives us N2 plus half O2. So let's proceed for the mechanism. So first step, see here, यहाँ पर क्या दिया है? This is what 2 is. It defines the stoichiometry, right? In most of the cases, if your reaction is elementary, then it defines the stoichiometry of that particular reaction, right? Or if it is in case of non-elementary, it is not necessary. Fine, it can be anything. So here what we consider to begin with this, what we do, we just consider that there are initial two moles of N2O. Fine. So for the first step, N2O plus N2O. So we begin with this, okay? And the reversible reaction takes place, and K1 and K2 are the rate constants, okay? And it gives us N2O plus one intermediate, right? Let's take, this is the intermediate, and this intermediate which is forming over here, right? We denoting this intermediate by star, right? So what it tells us that it is unstable, right? This particular product is unstable, and this is again further react, and then you will get your final product. So second step for this, so this is the intermediate product, right? And intermediate product बहुत कम समय के लिए वहाँ पर because it's unstable, and we know that every time whatever is forming, whatever product or whatever compound is forming over there in during the reaction, वो हमेशा क्या ट्राई करते हैं? स्टेबल फॉर्म में जाने के लिए ट्राई करता है, राइट? सो ये क्या है? अनस्टेबल है, तो ये बहुत कम समय के लिए यहाँ पर रहता है, राइट? इमीडिएटली वो क्या करेगा? ट्राइज टू रीच टू द स्टेबल स्टेट. So N2 plus half O, right? So this is our and final step. Okay. Now the rate of reaction is given by the rate of formation of N2. So R N2 is equals to, this is what, K3 and N2O intermediate star intermediate, right? Now the formation of intermediate N2O is given by K1 N2O square. Let's take, this is the first, second, and similarly for the formation, this is for the forward reaction, right? And this one for the formation of N2O backward reaction, right? So K2 and N2O star. Let's take, this is the third reaction. Huh? Now N2O star is, we know that it's intermediate, and its concentration can be calculated by steady state approximation. The concentration of reactive intermediate are very low and effectively remain constant compared to the reactant concentration. So the rate change of concentration of intermediate with respect to time is assumed to be 0. So here we, as per the, we apply the steady state approximation. Steady state approximation for the net rate of formation of intermediate, right? So that will be equal to 0. So R N2O intermediate, and change in concentration of intermediate with respect to dt will be equal to 0. Fine. So let's substitute the values. This will be, first is the formation of this is K1 N2O square minus, second one is K2 N2O N2O star. जहाँ जहाँ पर भी N2O star intermediates form हो रहे हैं उनको हम we just substitute into this, right? Overall net rate, we are finding here the net rate of formation of intermediate, right? So जहाँ जहाँ पर भी N2O star है उसको हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पर substitute कर देंगे, minus K3 N2O intermediate is equal to 0. Fine. Then just rearrange this whole thing. So K1 and 2O, all these two are negative, so we just keep it one side, and इसको हम negative को we are taking that side. Okay. So square is equals to K2 and 2O, and this is N2O star plus K3 N2O star. Okay. Now we need N2O star. So we arrange again. So K1 N2O whole square divided by K2 N2O plus K3. Okay. Now let's take, this is the equation number 4. Okay. Substitute the value from equation number 4 to equation number 1. So our formation of nitrogen K3 into K1 N2O square upon K3 plus K2 N2O. Okay. So the equation which is given to us, this is the equation which is given to us. So this is our product. So rate of formation of nitrogen will be equal to the rate of disappearance of N2O. Fine. Right? From the given equation, from the given reaction, we know that the rate of formation of nitrogen is equals to the rate of disappearance of nitrous oxide. Fine. So in place of N2 we can substitute this. So minus Rn2O is equals to Rn2 K1 just divided by K3, both a denominator and numerator. So N2O square upon K3 is cancelled, 1 plus K2 N2 N2O. Okay, K2 upon K3 N2O. This K2 upon K3 मैं आपको ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन कर चुकी हूँ, ये एक मैथमेटिकल नंबर है जो एक्सपेरिमेंट से आपको मिलता है, राइट? सो क्वांटिटी है, सो यू कैन replace this by anything. This is a constant quantity. Okay, so in place of K2, small K2 upon K3, we can substitute K2, right? So therefore Rn2O is equals to Rn2, which is equal to K1 N2O square upon 1 plus K2 N2O, and this is the suggested mechanism with the observed rate, right? This is the suggested mechanism. Now, we need to find out the overall order of reaction. See, we need to consider the two cases over here. The first one is because everything is depending upon the concentration of reactant. So, first case at low concentration of N2O. So here at low concentration of N2O in this relation, you can see if the concentration of N2O is low, then it is very less than K3, right? So यहाँ पर ये क्या हो जाएगा? Only K3 will be there and K3 cancel हो जाएंगे. Then Rn2 is equals to minus Rn2O will be equal to K1 N2O square. Then आपको जो मैकेनिज्म ऑर्डर आ रहा है कौन सा आ रहा है? सेकेंड ऑर्डर काइनेटिक्स आ रही है. सो द रेट हियर, द रेट फॉलोज सेकेंड ऑर्डर kinetics, right? And the second case क्या होगा? Second case is at high concentration, right? So in this relation at high concentration here, so K2, the concentration of N2O is higher than K3, right? Rate minus Rn2O will be equal to, it is K1 N2O, and for this it is the rate is first order with respect to N2. So here the rate is first order kinetics. So this is how you can solve these kind of questions. Thank you.